Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about list activity. A list activity is the type of activity that specializes in working with a list. It's automatically bound to a list view, so you don't need to create one yourself. Here's what one looks like. There are a couple of major advantages in using a list activity to display categories of data. You don't need to create your own layout. List activities define their own layout programmatically, so there is no XML layout for you to create or maintain. The layout the list activity generates includes a single list view. You access this list view in your activity code using the list activities getListView method. You need this to specify what data should be displayed in the list view. You don't have to implement your own event listener. The list activity class already implements an event listener that listens for when items in the list view are clicked. Instead of creating your own event listener and binding it to the list view, you just need to implement the list activities onListItemClick method. This makes it easier to get your activity to respond when the user clicks on items in the list view. Here's what the basic code looks like to create a list activity. The above code creates a basic list activity called DrinkCategoryActivity. Because it's a list activity, it needs to extend the list activity class rather than activity. The other difference is that you don't need to use the setContentView method to say what layout the list activity should use. This is because list activities define their own layouts, so you don't need to create one yourself. The list activity handles this for you. Just as with normal activities, list activities need to be registered in the Android manifest.xml file. This is so they can be used within your app. When you create your activity, Android Studio does this for you. That's it for this video. I'll be continuing more on this topic in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally subscribe to my channel.